Hello everyone. Today we will see data bars of conditional formatting in Excel. So let's start. This is our data set. We will see data bars in this tutorial. So for that, let's select a data set. Then if you click on data bars, you will see different options here. You can see gradient fill and solid fill here. Let's click on gradient fill. You will see the more the number, it will go it will be larger. The less the number, it will be lower. This is the 0 point. Okay, 0 is neither positive or negative, and if the number is negative, then it will go to right to left. Okay, because this negative number here, I used a hypothetical number. A student has failed in all subject, and because of wrong answers he got negative marks, and in this way he got negative marks. So this is how we can use data bars. Here you can see there is solid color, there is one color, there is another color, and there's a mixture. That's why this is gradient. If you want to apply any solid color, okay, let's apply. uh, I'm went one step back to get the fresh data. I'm showing you again. Let's select solid fill. Now it is in solid color. Okay, I'm going one step back to get the fresh data. Now, if I go to more rules, here in the first rule is format all cell based on their values. That is, we will format all the cells based on the values, and here we can see format style is data bar. If I use this and keep everything as it is and click OK, you will see you will get the same thing. Go step back. Now we can have so many color scales here: two color scale, three color scale. Okay, but because we are learning data bar in this tutorial, so let's skip data bar. Here if you click on this, then only the data bar will be shown, not the values. Okay, if I click OK, you can see there are no values, only the bars. But with the values, it makes more sense. Okay, now you can select the type or keep this as it is. There are so many options here: lowest value, number, percent, formula. Okay, or if you select automatic, Excel will take the data automatically. Now solid fill, if you select solid, it will be filled in solid color. If you select this one, it will fill in gradient color. You can change the color from here. Okay, you can also pick more colors from here. You can input your own data code, and if you click OK, you will get your own color, and then you can apply your color. You can select any color from here. Just pick one, click OK, it will be selected. For now I am canceling this. And border, if you want border, it will be shown border. Okay, for now we don't. For example, with border, you can see the data bars has some border in thin black color. Okay, let's go one step back. We are going more rules from here. If you want, we can go to more rules from here also. Okay, I'm clicking this. Then here co- negative values. Okay, here if I click this, we can see the negative values will be assigned in this color. Okay, if I click OK, you will see the negative value is this color. If you want to change this color, then you have to uh, change the color from here, or you can pick more colors from here. Okay, color choosing strategy is same everywhere. If you want to apply the same fill color of a positive bar, previously we saw that positive number showed blue color and negative number showed another color, that is this color. But if you want to apply positive negative in the same color, you can click this. but I think the previous one is more convenient to visualize, so I don't need this. uh, I kept as it is. These are not very important. Let's click OK. Now context. To clarify this context, let's take this example. Here we can see two students, James Smith and Mary Johnson, and their respective marks on different subjects. So let's apply on this data set for James Smith. uh, this color, and for Mary Johnson, let's select that data set. If you want to, one thing always remember, if you want to apply conditional formatting on any data set, the first step is to select that data set. Okay, then you can choose. Okay, from here, let's select this one. But you can see all the bars and the values went from left to right, here also left to right. But if I select this data set and from more rules I change the bar direction, this one is from left to right, so let's make it right to left. Okay, now see, this is more uh, good to see. We can compare this more easily. Okay, and you can also change the colors from here. Now this option is done. Now from second rule to last rule, I am not discussing all these rules in this video because I have discussed all these rules in detail in my conditional formatting highlight sales rules video. So you can watch this video. uh, you will understand all the rules, how to use them. I will not also discuss new rule, clear rules and manage rules in this video because all of them I have discussed in highlight sales rules videos. So watch it. If you can, you can watch it multiple times. It will be, all the things will be clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you very much.